Hey guys, Gordon Birkin here. You know, I spent my whole life in home building until I bought Paul Davis over a decade ago. I love construction, and outside of our office, we're right on I95. There's an amazing construction project going on. Super complicated stuff. Come on, let's check it out. So what's going on here is they're expanding I95. They already did the east side, and now they're doing the west side, which fronts our building, and they're extending it 3 lanes on both sides, nearly doubling the width of I95. So before we used to have berms coming down, and now they built this really awesome wall. And what's super incredible going on right now is this massive crane is dropping these joists that are the new roadway. We're gonna go check it out. So check this out. Over the last 2 days, these concrete joists were installed with a crane that had monster tires. There were 9 tires on each side, and the thing had to have been at least 8 foot wide by about 40 feet long, and it was able to lift these suckers. This one on the end went up last night, and the precision is just mind-blowing. Unbelievable work, and they're super fast and super skilled. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of I95 construction. I personally find it fascinating. I love that I've been able to watch that project going for about a year now. It looks so complicated to me, I just scratch my head and say, how the heck do they do it?